I've been reviewing supplements on YouTube for years, and I've also been using protein powders as a coach and athlete for nearly twice as long. The combination of personal use and in-depth product testing gives me both hands-on experience and unique insight into what makes a great protein powder. Now, Diesel by Perfect Sports has consistently stood out in my reviews, with their huge flavor variety and strong commitment to quality being the biggest reason it gets such a positive feedback from users. In today's video, I will dive deep through the various pros and cons of Diesel Whey Isolate to help you decide if it's worthy of a spot in your supplement stack. Now, before we begin, the first thing I just want to point out and highlight is that Perfect Sports has several protein powders that look similar. I want to distinguish between them before moving forward. So the Diesel New Zealand Whey Isolate, which is actually the protein that I have in front of me, and I've also had the privilege to try the same thing but in a smaller version. This is the product that I'm going to be testing and reviewing for this video, and we'll refer to it as Diesel Protein going forward for clarity. This is a high quality whey isolate that uses grass-fed whey sourced from New Zealand. This protein uses no artificial flavors or colors. This is a sugar-free product that has a very high protein percentage and is likely suitable for individuals with lactose sensitivities. Perfect New Zealand Whey Protein. Very similar to Diesel, the key here is the Perfect Protein still uses high quality whey protein from New Zealand with no artificial flavors or colors. But this is not an isolate protein. This product uses whey concentrate, which has slightly higher levels of carbs and fats that have not been filtered out. And the third one, Perfect Sports Ultra Fuel. This is a value-focused protein powder by Perfect Sports. It does not use grass-fed New Zealand whey, and it does use artificial sweeteners. So let's first go over the company. So who is Perfect Sports? Who are they? Perfect Sports is a Canadian company committed to quality through third-party testing and avoiding artificial flavors and colors. Some products use sucralose as a sweetener, but their flagship, the Diesel grass-fed whey isolate, relies only on stevia and natural flavors. With consumers demanding more sustainability, Perfect Sports has responded with containers made from recycled plastic that can be fully recycled by removing the label. Their facility runs on electricity generated from over 90% non-carbon based sources using wind, solar, and water technologies. Alongside their whey protein powders, they also offer vegan protein and a full line of performance product like pre-workouts, amino acids, electrolytes, and fat loss support. Perfect Sports has a blog and recipe page on their website. While not recently updated, the recipe section is worth exploring and checking out for year-round seasonal protein powder recipes. So we've gone through their company. Now let's go through the actual protein itself. So Diesel is made using only whey isolate sourced from grass-fed New Zealand cows, which I've mentioned. Diesel is available in 18 different flavor varieties, all sweetened with stevia. Diesel is gluten-free, peanut and nut-free, contains no artificial flavors or colors, and is informed choice certified. The macronutrient breakdown is as follows: 26 to 27 grams of protein, depending on the flavor, 0 grams of carbs, 0 grams of fat, and 0 grams of sugar. Now, here at Feast Good, we have the following criteria to classify protein percentages. Excellent is 85% protein per scoop or higher. Good is 75 to 84%. Reasonable is 65 to 74%. And anything below 65% protein per scoop is unacceptable. Diesel protein has 110 to 120 calories per serving. And like I mentioned, 26 to 27 grams of protein. Diesel offers and is put in the 86 and 98% protein per scoop, putting it in the excellent category. This great protein percentage is attributed to the fact that Diesel only uses whey isolate, which is whey protein that has had the carbs and fats filtered out of it. Among the highest protein percentages are these flavors: French vanilla, cookies and cream, strawberry, banana, salted caramel, mocha latte cappuccino, honeydew melon bubble tea, and brown sugar bubble tea. Now, before I get into what I liked and didn't like about Diesel Whey, I just want to let you all know that any of the products that are talked about today, especially the Diesel Whey, will be linked down below in the description box. Good news for you is that I've already done all the research on where to find the best deals to this product and any other product, so you don't need to. And I occasionally update the description box to keep the deals fresh, so anytime you're watching this video, it should still have the most current deal. So let's now go through highlights. What I liked, what I didn't like, starting with what I liked. All natural ingredients, number one. Diesel uses exclusively grass-fed whey isolate and does not use any artificial flavors, sweeteners, or colors in its formula. Number two, Tons of flavor variety. Diesel is currently available in 18 flavor varieties like I've mentioned, and comes out with seasonal flavors like pumpkin spice latte and chocolate cream egg. Number 3, good for lactose sensitivity. Diesel contains 0 grams of sugar, which means it contains no lactose. This makes it a suitable option for individuals with lactose sensitivity. Now note that Diesel is still made from whey protein, which comes from dairy. Individuals who have dairy allergies and not just sensitivities may still experience negative side effects from Diesel. If you follow a vegan diet or have a dairy allergy, I actually suggest trying Perfect Sports Diesel vegan protein instead. And lastly, third-party tested. Diesel is Informed Choice certified, which means it undergoes third-party testing for quality and purity. Now, this certification is required for athletes of some athletic organizations and is an added level of reassurance that the products are free from banned substances. On the other side of things, the drawbacks. First of all, the cost. Diesel protein costs between $1.93 and $2.25 per serving, higher than the average whey protein price of around $1.35. However, compared to other natural third-party tested proteins, Diesel is competitively priced. Now, Transparent Labs, Legion Whey both offer similar quality at about $2 per serving. Now, I live in Canada, so in Canada, Diesel has become one of the most expensive proteins on the shelves, with prices ranging from $2.11 to $3.33 per serving. While whey protein prices have climbed worldwide, Perfect Sports has seen some of the steepest increases, putting Diesel among the highest cost Canadian options. Second, stevia can have an undesirable taste. Some people find that stevia has a bitter aftertaste because it is so much sweeter than table sugar. Some individuals also find stevia sweetening products to be too sweet. Now, I do find some of the Diesel flavors to be very sweet without having a really strong flavor, which ends up with a weird combination of them being both sweet and bland. Let's now go through my overall honest experience while taking Diesel New Zealand Whey Isolate over the last 30 days or so. Diesel was one of the first brands to go all in on New Zealand whey and avoid artificial flavors or sweeteners. While many companies like Transparent Labs now offer third-party tested natural proteins, Diesel was ahead of its time. With 0 grams of sugar per serving, it's safe to assume Diesel is lactose-free and suitable for those with sensitivities. As someone with lactose issues myself, I've always tolerated it well, no bloating, gassiness, or discomfort. Now, mixability is excellent, smooth with no chalkiness, easy in water, smoothies, oatmeals, you name it, even yogurt. My favorite happens to be the chocolate peanut butter. It actually tastes like a Reese's peanut butter cup. If I have one complaint, it's the traditional flavors. While I enjoy options like the pineapple mango or the honeydew melon bubble tea, I find vanilla chocolate have a bit of a flat. They're sweet, but not especially rich, likely due to the stevia. That said, many people prefer milder flavors, so this comes down to taste preference. Now it's time to see how Diesel stacks up against our criteria for whey protein. So we have used the following 7 key criteria for ranking whey protein powders. Here's how Diesel protein stacked up against the rest. We've given it a 5 out of 5 on nutrition label transparency. Diesel clearly labels the calories, carbs, protein, and fat per serving according to the National Food Guide standards. We've given it a 5 out of 5 on effective ingredients. Diesel protein uses only New Zealand grass-fed whey isolate in their formula. They avoid using artificial flavors and colors. We've given it a 5 out of 5 on protein percent of calories. Diesel offers 26 to 27 grams of protein per serving and has 110 to 120 calories. This means that Diesel offers between 86 and 98% protein per scoop, putting all the flavors in the excellent category. We've given it a 4 out of 5 on taste and flavor. Diesel offers a ton of flavor variety with 18 different flavors currently available. I personally find some of the flavors to be a little dull when mixed with just water, but the vast selection makes it likely that everyone and yourself can find a flavor that works for you. Regarding mixability, we've given it a 4.5 out of 5. Diesel mixes up with no clumps or chalky texture. However, I did find that when it was left for a few minutes, the protein did separate a bit with the water of the milk and kind of settling on the bottom. This was easily fixed by gently swirling the protein bottle between sips to redistribute the powder. On the thick or thin, when it comes to texture, we've given it the thin. Diesel mixes up very thin, which is a common feature of whey isolates. So, who is Diesel for? Diesel protein is for the following 4. Someone who wants to avoid any artificial flavors, sweeteners, and colors. Individuals who are sensitive to lactose. Those who like a lot of flavor variety. And lastly, those looking for a post-workout protein or who just want to add more protein to their day. On the other hand, Diesel protein is not for the following. Individuals who can't tolerate any dairy or follow a vegan diet. Those who want a rich, dessert-like protein powder. And lastly, individuals who want their protein powder to provide prolonged satiety. Overall, Diesel Whey Isolate is a clean, third-party tested, lactose-friendly, and one of the highest protein percentages you'll find out there. It is a bit pricey and some flavors are a hit or miss, but with so much variety, there's likely one or two that you'll enjoy. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video, drop a comment down below with your favorite flavor, and don't forget to subscribe for more supplement reviews. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.